Look at this one, 5.3, seventh question. It may be asked for 4 marks. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. See, first of all, we'll understand the question is what about the given things and what to find. Okay, now look at this one. Find a 31st term of an AP. 31st term of an AP means you are going to find here A31 is what? Yes, this is the question. So what you are given here, you are given 11th term is 38. That means A11 is equal to 38. 11th term is 38. And also you are given 16th term is 73. That means A16th is also given, it is 73. So you are given A11, A16 and you are asked A31st. Okay. Now what we want to find a term in an AP, A we want, okay, and a D we want, and N it is given for this one, N is 31 for this one. Okay. Now look at this one, here A11 means what you are going to get here, N is equal to, in this one you can get 11, and for this one N is equal to, we are getting here 16. We will take help of these two and we will try to find A and D with the help of these two concepts. Okay. Now first of all I am going to write An is equal to what we have, A plus N minus 1 into D. See, first I am writing A11th. Okay, A11th. A11th is how much it is given? It is given 38 is equal to A. Okay, A as it is plus N is given as 11 minus 1. Difference we don't know. We will keep it as it is only. Now 38 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 is 10 D. Okay, or you can write A plus 10D is equal to 38. You call it 1. This we have got with the help of this A11. Yes. Now what I am doing here, I am taking the same A16. A16 is equal to what we have, 73, which is equal to A plus N means here it is 16 minus 1 into D. This way you are writing. So this is 73 is equal to what we have, A we don't know, 16 minus 1 is 50 D. So or you are going to write here A plus 15 D is equal to 73. This is our second expression. Yes. Now I'll take these two equations and I'll try to find A and D with the help of these two equations. Okay. Now you can write here from 1 and 2. What we are having in 1, A plus 10D is equal to 38, and in this one A plus 15D is equal to 73, or you can write this one first and this one second. So now what happens here, I am going to change the sign of this one. Plus becomes minus, even here it changes and here also it changes, and A and A get cancelled. So what we have here, 10D minus 15D is minus 5D is equal to minus, because you are having here now the sign with this one is minus and this is also having here now minus. 73 minus 38, it is like this one, you are going to subtract, and this one here I will show you, 73 and 38 you are making this way 13 and you are calling this one as 6. Okay, and this is 5 and it becomes what, 35. Very simple, minus 35. This way you are subtracting. Now both the sides we have minus and we cancel it, minus goes and you are remaining with what, 5D is equal to 35, or D is equal to 35 upon 5. 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja. So what you got, D as 7. Okay, that means here D you have got as 7. So now we'll move to find what, A. How to find A? What we have, D is equal to 7 and one of the equation, or you can write here either you take equation 1 or 2 from equation 1, or consider equation 1 you can write. What we have, equation 1, A plus 10D is equal to 38. This is our first equation. So this I am taking and I am substituting the value of D here. So what happens here, A plus 10, d means 10 into d into 7 is equal to 38 this way. So a plus 10 into 7 is 70 is equal to 38. So what you are getting here, a is equal to 38, this becomes minus 70. So here subtract this one, 70 minus 38, this is 10 and it is 6, 10 minus 8 is 2 and this is 32. So a is equal to 32, but it is minus 32 as we have bigger number with minus sign. So now children, you have got a is equal to 32 and d is equal to, you have got 7. Okay, after finding this one, easily you can find what it is asked, find the 31st term. So how to do the 31st term here, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So a 31st you want, it is a 31st, here you are writing this way, that means n is equal to, it is 31. Now what you are doing here, a you are writing as minus 32 plus n is 31 minus 1 and the difference is 7. Then a 31st, okay, this is what, minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 is 30 into 7. So this is minus 32 plus 7 3s are 21. What we have here, 210. I'll show you the subtraction here, 210 minus 32. What you are doing here, this we are making as 10 and this one as 0. Okay, and it becomes 10. You are going to take here 1. This, you know, simple subtraction. Okay, what I have done here, this I made it 10 and this also it becomes 0. You are taking carry, it becomes 10 and this is 1. 10 minus 2, 8, is it? Then once again 10 minus 3 is 7 and this 178. 178 and a 31st is 178 and that too plus, because bigger number is having what? Plus sign. This way you have to solve this question. What it is asked here, you are given the terms at different places and you are asked to find a term in a particular place. In that case, you are taking help of this one and you are finding first a and the d, either a or d you can calculate, and afterwards put the value in the equation for which place you want the term. Okay, and after doing that one, you will get the term of the 31st term. This way you have to solve, and if you solve this way, writing the given things, writing all the steps and the formula wherever it is asked, you are going to score full marks for this question.